How do I stay consistent? I th- I think a lot of people feel like that is a cliche term now, and people say it all the time. How do you improve? How do you get better? How do you grow? You be consistent. And I don't know if they break it down in enough detail. So that is one of the things you absolutely have to do. You have to do it. And that looks like this. How does that look? That looks like you say, I'm going to commit to doing one video a week for a year. So however you want to do it, whether you want to say, all right, this week I'm going to do 52 videos. It's 52 weeks in a year, one video per week, you get it. So I'm going to do 52 videos. I'll take 1 week and I'll do, say, or 2 weeks and do 5 videos per day. The videos don't have to be long. I just want to get one out per week. All right. So you take the 2 weeks, you do whatever you got to do, you crush them out, and then maybe you outsource the editing. But the thing is, you get those videos done. So consistency. Here's my tips. 1, write down your specific goal and add clear deadlines. You can write down a goal, but if you don't write down when you want to have that goal done, then it's just a wish, it's just a hope, it's just a dream. We're lazy. By nature, we find ways to get out of the things that we need to do. We might know that we need to post. We might know that we need to create content. But when we start looking at it, sometimes it's like, I got to create for another platform. Crap. But the things that you don't want to do, if you would just embrace those things and just get you a system to do them, they won't be so daunting or irritating to you. Some things you just have to do. You can't get away from it. All right, so write down your specific goal, add clear deadlines. For example, you don't say, I want to get fit. You say, I work out 3 times per week and I'll lose 10 pounds by March 1st. Those are actionable goals. You gave yourself a deadline. You gave yourself the amount of weight that you want to lose. Those are specific goals. You guys might have heard of the SMART goal system. I think it's measurable, attainable. I forgot what the other letters are. Look it up. SMART goals. And when you measure it, it creates clarity and urgency. When you say, I'm going to have this amount of videos done by this date at this time, you're going to force yourself into an uncomfortable position, but you'll get the thing done. The second thing is design your environment for success. In a previous video, I talked about how you need to remove distractions. So if I'm somewhere where it's very noisy, or my phone is always going off, or the TV is on, or there's other distractions there, right? Say my fiance is walking around in one of her little nice outfits, I'm not going to be able to focus. All right, so make sure your environment is primed for success. Clear your workspace of distractions. I made some notes here. Clear your workspace of distractions. Prepare tools in advance. Preparation is key. Find a support system. This is my third tip. Find a support system. So connect with a mentor, join a Facebook group, join a mentorship, join a mastermind. If you don't want to do any of these things, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to find a physical mentor. A mentor could be somebody that you watch on YouTube who has attained the thing that you want to attain. So those are my 3 tips on how to stay consistent. Make a commitment that you're going to follow through on the things that you set out to do. Ideas on how to stay consistent. Consistency isn't about motivation. It's about systems. Clear goals, optimized environment, strong support. Master these 3 elements and you will build habits that last. If you like this video, then you'll love the rest of the videos in this series where I talk about all things mindset and all things entrepreneurship.